Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change speaker volume on your ARLO Pro 5 security camera. To change the speaker volume, go into Devices. In here, tap on the camera, then the settings icon, and scroll down to audio settings. In here you can change the speaker volume between high. Just pick it to be whatever you like or whatever you need. You can even turn it off or turn it on if it's turned off. You can do the same with the microphone too. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.